300 Android operating system applications that have had more than 54 million downloads each were exposing API passwords and security holes that might lead to user data compromise and attacks. The malfunctions involve email systems and communication platforms that are integrated into the applications and are susceptible to manipulation by malicious agents. The 600 applications devoted to email marketing and other related services were surveyed by CloudSec's security experts. The majority of them were found to be violating security measures related to the APIs of Mailgun, SendGrid, and, most often, MailChimp. Users from the United States, the United Kingdom, Spain, Russia, and India are the most affected. Different types of user-against-user exploration are made possible via API security holes. Of the 319 vulnerable applications, 12 exposed passwords that allowed for the reading of user-sent and user-received emails, while 28% had components that allowed, for instance, the connection of an email marketing account in another app by a third party. Everything might lead to the acquisition of private or secret information about customers and businesses, opening the door to new attacks. The Mailgun and SendGrid service exposures might also allow criminals to send messages using official accounts, although in the first case it was also possible to get credentials and extract contact lists. These investigations now open the door for phishing attacks and identity theft, particularly when we talk about communications sent maliciously but in the name of legitimate companies. The attacks might also result in harm to the companies themselves since, in 20% of cases, a criminal could disable API keys, which would prevent the operation of applications, and in 13%, it was possible to change validation mechanisms over the course of 2 steps. The CloudSec claimed to have informed all of the developers about the study's findings but did not disclose a list of vulnerable applications. Additionally, a digital security company emphasizes the need of good security practices when developing software. While APIs are a necessary component of the process, the parties responsible should avoid adding passwords and other usage details to the version that is made publicly available. Instead, administrators should use tools for review and monitoring while also receiving the passwords on a regular basis to prevent breaches and maintain protected applications.